So, a winter storm. Again, more snow, but the worst part is the wind. So much wind. And my solar panels see the sun for the first time in a very long time, but there's issues here. Look how much snow on the ground. Look at this. It needs to be free of snow in order to work. Yeah, look at this. How does it's so windy, and still the wind doesn't blow off the snow here. Look at this. I don't understand why the wind doesn't blow the snow off. What's happening here? I have to go through the bush. Oh. Yeah, look at this. Nice, windy. Look, ready for sunshine. Yeah. Okay. We have more. I have so many lights. This time I could have brushed it off with a brush. Last time it was just frozen ice. Look at that. Many of them are still working. Not all, because they really need sun now. Look at this. It's so cold, my whole arm hurts. Here's one missing. Man. And then here, one more. This was the one that was broken, the glass. It still works. Okay, so that was not connected. I have the big ones here for the shed. This here. So if you have them on the roof, there's not much you can do about it. You get all this off. Now what do I do here? Oh man. I only have them sideways because the wind was pushing them over. Look at this. The dog tries to lick the snow off. Okay. So far, so good.